our 48-inch natural gas or propane charbroiler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 47.5 inches, depth of 25 inches, overall height with legs, we have 16.5 inches tall. Measurements without the legs, we have 11.5 inches. 11.5 inches counting the bottom of the charbroiler minus the legs, all the way to the top of the lip. Included will be your pamphlet along with your propane conversion kit, and each broiler plate can be removed for cleaning. Each plate measuring 5 3/4 inches in length by 18 1/4 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the rest of the removable broiler plates. Coming to the bottom are 4 knobs for the burners. Far left corner will be a drip tray for access. With that access, it'll come down to the bottom and right waste tray. Each waste tray will measure 18 1/4 inches in length with a depth measuring 20 inches. Coming to the far right corner will be your ETL certification along with the natural gas information. And on the back will be the black pipe for gas hookup. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information regarding this product. Thank you.